In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search everything in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you've ever wondered how to quickly find a deal, a person, an organization, or even a note without clicking through multiple menus, this is for you. The beauty of Pipedrive's global search is that it's one place to look for almost anything in your workspace. Start at the very top of your Pipedrive screen and click on the search bar. This is the global search bar, and it's designed to scan across your data. The moment you click it, you're ready to type. There's no extra setup or navigation required, and you don't have to remember exactly where something lives. Think of it as your shortcut to deals, contacts, organizations, activities, products, emails, and more. Now simply type the keywords for what you want to find. This could be a company name, a contact's name, a deal title, or a distinctive word from a note. As you type, your results will start to populate. On the left side of the results, you'll see entity categories appear, such as deals, people, organizations, activities, and other relevant groups. These categories help you narrow things down instantly. If you know you're looking for a person, click people. If it's a company, click organizations. If it's a sales opportunity, go straight to deals. This saves you from scanning a long mixed list and gets you to the right kind of record much faster. When you spot the item you need in the results, select it. Just click on it, and you'll jump straight to that record's detail view. From there, you can review information, make updates, or continue your workflow without missing a beat. That's the entire flow. Click the global search, type your keywords, use the categories on the left to focus your results, and select what you need. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. Start broad. Then narrow down using the categories if you see a lot of matches. Use distinctive parts of names or titles to help the search engine pick the right result. If you don't find what you expect, double-check your spelling or try an alternate keyword that might appear in the record, like a project nickname or a related company name. Short keywords often work well, and you don't need to worry about capitalization. And that's all. With the global search bar, you can find almost anything in seconds and stay focused on your work. Try it out the next time you're hunting for a specific record, and you'll see how much time it saves.